ERAS, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch the short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Erasca Incorporated, it's 11.3% up. So where are we heading next? Now, before I get into the details, I've made more videos than anyone else in the space with 39,000 video proof. And when I'm saying this, I don't mean that, you know, I'm talking about this in like in an ill way or anything. No, it's just the truth. I'm trying to be kind of not nice, right? So unless I see breaks above 161, there's no way, just no way that I'm looking at Erasca, whatever the pronunciation is, and I'm saying it's bullish buy. No, again, I'm not trying to be a pessimist neither. I'm trying to be realistic. So if there is a confirmation, it can be such a good and simple sell, but if not, you know, it's all good. So looking at ERAS, that's how it's looking like for me. This is not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.